Hello everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we got a fresh trade coming in. It is a 2005 Sea Ray 290 SLX. This is going to be with a single engine, no swim platform, captain's call, and it does have the tower. Walking on, the seats are very clean. This boat's been very well taken care of. Boat has 575 hours on it. Very beautifully made Sea Ray boat. Nice wood grain dash. The rear seating here for you. That's the seat that goes to the walkway. Ladder off the back. Plenty of cup holders per always. Boat is optioned with a head. Clarion audio. Nice big open bow here for you. Has the white interior toned with more of a gray Sea Ray tone. Again, this is a 2005 Sea Ray 290 SLX. It is available now for you here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks.